more money on a vehicle and it break down within the first year. Treasure lasted me for 3.5 years, and she probably would have lasted me for longer if I would have wanted to invest more money in her, but I didn't want to do that. But guess what? Treasure provided peace, joy, happiness. Treasure led me to friendships and kinships. Treasure let me meet people that are nicer to me, kinder to me than my own family members that I've been knowing my whole life. Girl, I'm about to cry. Treasure was beautiful, and she still is, wherever she at. She's gonna be here. Treasure not going nowhere. I'm gonna give me a little van. Anybody drawers out there? Can somebody draw Treasure for me and send her to me? Go to one of my videos and look at Treasure the way she was in the inside. Can anybody draw Treasure? I think I need y'all. We're gonna have to make us a Treasure t-shirt. When we start making t-shirts, we're gonna have to make us a Treasure t-shirt, y'all. Like, Treasure provided me so much joy and happiness and love in my life. I would never forget her. I would never, ever, ever forget her. Never. Like, she's the cornerstone of my freedom, of my peace, of my happiness, of my joy. She's the cornerstone of my healing. Thank you, Jesus. Your blessings don't always have to come in a big box, in a big bowl. Your blessings don't always have to. Your blessings don't always have to be shiny and new. Anybody that sit back and make fun of what somebody else have and make fun of the blessings that God gave somebody else, they're ignorant. They're lost. Because nobody could have done for me what Treasure did for me. What God knew what I needed. He knew I needed to get out of that hood. He knew I needed to get away from those people. He knew I needed to get out of that environment. He let my aunt give me $2,000. And he let that van go down. And he let that man accept $1,300. And he let the person God put everything in place. He let the person that took me to go buy that van that day be there to assist me in doing that. He let. I was so happy I got that van. I didn't even check the gas tank. I was driving on the freeway and something say, check the gas, Vanessa. Girl, I was riding on fumes. I was on E. I was so happy. I was on cloud 9, y'all. I was riding